Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of promoting the $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets. Now, the reason why I like promoting this is because it's a product that you'll need a funnel builder, you'll need all of this stuff, and it comes with the training and all that, learning how to do it, move it and all that. You gotta look for the training on it, and it's $25 for a funnel builder that is very well built, and no limitations or whatnot, because ClickFunnels has a lot of limitations. That's the biggest funnel builder out right now, and it not only is the cheapest plan is $91 per month or something like that. That's when I was using it. When I was using it, it was $91 per month. They have limitations on it, in which you have to you can only have a certain amount of people see your page. And when you use my lead gen secrets, right, a lot of people are gonna see your page. That's the thing. So it'll blow up real quick on my side. And so when you go beyond a certain amount of people that can see your page, what ClickFunnels will do is shut the page down. You gotta upgrade to the $250 prop. 200. I don't even know how much it is now. They change prices a lot, but $200 some plan for that to be fixed. That's insane. That's insanity, right? Okay, guys. So let's get down to it here. All right. Oh, and the other reason why I like promoting it, of course, is the affiliate plan, which is 80% recurring commissions. That means you only need like 2 people to turn profit with all the products. That's crazy. And every sale from there is just making money. So, and we made what, $1,172 so far in the past like 2 or 3 months. That's really good, guys, and it's slowly building every month as well. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. The reason why it's slowly building is because it's a recurring commissions. So each sale is so valuable, especially if they stay. You know what I mean? Like, okay, for example, I'm not entirely sure, but one of these is $100. It's $100 sale every month. I've gotten it 2 times now, and if I can get more than, I keep getting more people to, pay more, then you can build yourself an income very quick with this product. I'm only using it for my lead gen secrets. But if you just one account, I believe this is day 28 or 29, I'm not entirely sure. I'm just using one account, but if you have like a ton of accounts, guys, oh man, you can just blow this up, go and have all the money you need, and then kind of slowly build up from there. It's people with 10 my lead gen secrets accounts. My lead gen secrets is very easy to do, because all you gotta do is send an email. So a lot of people get like a ton of accounts. You can do that as well. I'm only using one to try to emulate what, how people would make money starting, what kind of money you can make when you just start. So this is the type of money I made so far. My account's real big, but it's my smallest account, and yeah, man. So anyway, guys, let's get to it here. Let's look at our results here. It looks like I didn't get a sale yesterday. Let's wait and see what happens here. Okay, I did not get a sale yesterday. Now, the reason why this is very important to say is because when somebody shows you results, make sure they refresh the page like I just did there. That way you can understand that, hey, these are real results, because it's very easy to change these numbers around and these bars and whatever. You can change them very easily. That's why you want to see somebody refresh the page before they show you results. There's a lot of YouTubers out there. There's a lot of ways, talking about ways to make money online. Believe me, I don't seen them too. I don't try these ideas as well. So when I say, the reason I'm saying this, because now that I think about it, it was always like still shots of the amount of money they making. You know what I mean? Don't get tricked by that. They're making money off of you watching their videos on YouTube, not the idea that they came up with to make money with. That's as far as I can tell. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let's get on to My Lead Gen Secrets. We're gonna go ahead and select all the emails here. Now we're gonna pick an email here. We're gonna go with okay, building my money up. We're gonna go with the full week and the money keeps climbing. One of my emails I already done sent already. I don't made a ton of emails in here already, so like I don't need to write new ones. I just got so many emails in here that I can just pick beyond like 20 of them that I don't written myself, like 20 to 30 of them, and I can just refresh from there and just pick emails depending on how I'm feeling. All right, so that's all there is to that. So we don't pick the email here. I guess I'll slowly show you guys. Now you can pause the video to get the subject title there, right? And you can pause the video as I scroll down to show you the whole email. Just pause it when you need to copy it, guys, if you want to copy it. That's why I'm going real slow with this, just to let you guys be able to pause it at any point in time if you wish to. Anyway, yeah, you don't even really need to have a signature, but if you do, I put a picture down there just to try to be a little bit more legit. I'm not entirely sure how effective it is because I've had different results. It's kind of on a random end. The shorter emails like this work. That's all I can tell you. Shorter emails work, longer emails usually don't. All right, so that's the only congruence I have. Anything else is up to you. That's how I feel. That's all I can tell you. All right, guys. Make sure to hit perfect timing. Send the email. Make sure the link works. Now the link you want to use as well. Now I want to go ahead and show you guys because somebody asked one time. The link you want to use is the all-in-one $25 business sale letter. This link here. You want to click on this link and put it in the email. That's the link you want to use. That's the link I'm using. But I have a domain name, so I changed the domain name to something else instead of like a big old affiliate link look, you know. But that's the link you use. It don't really matter when you send the emails, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the link you'll use, guys. All that simple. Is very easy to do, very uncomplicated. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.